Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Butera, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the latest Access Client solution. Um, First we're going to need to download Java. You can get that from java.com. We'll go there and pick up the latest one now. And agree and start the free download. Click yes. And install. Alright, and so now that we have Java downloaded and installed, we're going to go to download Access Client Solutions. We can get this from acs.cdrsupport.net. Here I have the downloads. This will actually be a zip file containing Access Client Solutions, and I also have a document here going over the steps to install ACS. But for here, we're just going to save this file. We'll open with Explorer. That's fine. And so here is the zip file. We're going to extract this file, and I recommend that we install this in a on your C drive instead of stashing it somewhere. So we will actually create a folder here. We're going to name it ACS. So we'll select this folder, and that's will extract Access Client Solution to this folder. Alright, so from here we now have the Access Client Solutions extracted. So from here we will install. We will select Windows Applications and install ACS. I prefer the 32-bit just because a lot of customers they may have a 32-bit or a 64-bit. 32 will work for 64, but 64 will only work on 64. So if you're unsure, 32 is the way to go. Click open. Yes. 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 Basically, we're just going to go through here and click yes for all of them. You may not use some of them, or even most of them, but if you ever do need one, it's better to have it than not have it. So we'll go ahead and install with the with yes as the default for all of them. Here's the license agreement for IBM. Typically, when you after you click that, here we go. We have some movement here. We should be receiving a pop-up here pretty soon saying that it was completed. You can see our shortcut apps are being added. Oh, here it is. Access Client Solutions has finished. Fantastic. That's concerning. We'll see if we actually did install ACS or Java. Let me click OK, and let's find out. All right. So because this window popped up and it stayed open, that is a sign that Java was installed correctly. Our most common issue is when someone will double click one of these and it'll pop open and disappear right away. So from here, we're actually going to use the session manager to create a new display session. Here you can call this, a lot of people call it DAC, a lot of people call it CDR, and then from here, destination address, this is where you will put your IP address to the 400. 192.168.1.10. This will change depending on your environment, but once you click OK here, here's your session, and you would put in your username and password, click OK. And then once you are prompted with a green screen, you can click File, Save. And that will save a session. Let's do save. Save this as DAC. And let me close out of here. There's our little DAC session. We can right click and we can copy it to the desktop. And here we have a desktop shortcut to a green screen. And that is it for installing and setting up Access Client Solutions.